Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix photo upload issues on dubizzle. Now the main issue people face is when they are uploading images and the sizes are above 20 megabytes. You get this error. So for example, this image right here, when I go to upload it, it's about 30 megabytes. You click on open, you get that error message. But if you upload anything else, that is a smaller size, you do not get the error message. It starts uploading. So that is one thing you need to keep in mind. I understand you're taking good quality photos, but it needs to meet the criteria. So use this website, reduceimages.com. Come here, you can just go ahead and drag and drop your images or browse through, right? Just go ahead and get any image. You just drag and drop it to this website. And then you just go ahead and fix the width. It will go ahead and keep it to the original image. Resolution, leave it to 72 dpi. Image quality, just leave it at 90%, and then resize your image, and then you'll see it is much smaller, as you can see. And then click on download that image, and then you can start uploading those. It really does help. And another thing, people upload images, over 20 images at once. It will not work. You need to upload up to 20 photos, and the accepted formats are these. Go ahead and adhere to these guidelines as well. I've even tried uploading this file format as well. It does work, so you can do this one as well. So this one is a .svg. It also works. You can upload that as well. But that is how to fix photo upload issues on dubizzle.